Hello, boys and girls. It's story time with Miss Janelle. Today I brought this book. It's called Fidgety Fish, and it is written by Ruth Galloway. I wonder what this is going to be about. You know what fidgety means? It's when you can't stay still. You want to be moving around. Look at all those creatures. Oh, there he is again. Tiddler was always fidgeting. This must be Tiddler. He was the one on the cover. He wriggled and he squiggled. He darted and he giggled until his mom said, "Go out into the sea and swim till you're tired. But watch out for the big fish," she said. So Tiddler swam out of his cave. There's his mom, and there's Tiddler, and he's going to swim out of his cave. There we go. He dived and he flipped, he leaped and he dipped, he sped faster than a rocket and glided gently like a swan, letting the sea currents fan his fins, but he still didn't feel tired. Gosh, I would have been tired after all that. The sea was full of the most interesting things. There were limpets that clung. See these guys down here? These are called limpets. Let's put them up here. So he swam past the limpets. And jellyfish that stung. There was a big starfish that didn't do much at all. And here's the jellyfish. Jellyfish stings. So he swam past the jellyfish and the starfish that didn't do much. There he goes. "Hello," said Tiddler, nudging the starfish gently with his nose. So he goes down here and he says, "Hello." The starfish didn't answer. It didn't even move. A crab sidled by, clicking and clacking its big claws. Tiddler wanted to play with it, but the crab scuttered off and disappeared into the seaweed. Here's the crab. She wanted to play with him, but he just scuttered away. Put him down there. Tiddler came to a big, dark cave. It looked much more exciting than his cave back home, and Tiddler swam in. Oh, look at this cave. Oh, Is it a cave? Look at these. Our eyes. Do caves have eyes? How about these? These are fins. Do caves have fins? Oh, let's see what happens. Snap! Uh-oh, what happened? That wasn't a cave. It was a big fish. And he says, snap! And now Tiddler is inside the fish. Let's see. Tiddler was trapped inside the big fish. He trembled and he shivered, and he shook and he quivered. Oh, he must be so afraid. Let's see what happens. Until the big fish's tummy began to feel very funny indeed. It rumbled and it grumbled. Does your tummies ever grumble? Mine grumble a lot when I'm hungry. It turned and it tumbled. It fluttered and groaned and mumbled and moaned. Oh, he looks like he's worried. He's like, oh, my tummy hurts. Let's see what he does. Suddenly, the big fish burped. It says burp. What do you think happens when he burped? Let's see. And whoosh, out shot Tiddler. Here he goes. Let's see what he does. He shot past the jellyfish and the clickety crab hiding in the weeds, past the starfish and straight through his own front door. So he shot out of there, is all, and he went back into his house, to his cave. And his mom says, I hope you've used up all that energy. You think he used up all his energy? But she would have to wait until morning to hear about his adventures because Tiddler was already fast asleep. He went and he got on the couch and he went to sleep. I guess he used up all his energy, huh? The end. What a cute book. I like that one. Thank you for joining me for story time. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
Your local library may have this book available for checkout. Remember to read every day. Happy reading!